If you have a problem, if no one else can help, and if you can find it, maybe you can hire the A-Team.
Hi, Mum.
Hello and welcome to Pimp My Washing Machine, and today we have two experienced pimpers. This is Travis and he's going to be working on the hot points, and this is Matt and he's going to be working on Electra. So over to you boys.
Right, my hot point here has been pimped up with a 66-inch platinum interior, right, with a tray and even air conditioning. Right, over to you Matthew.
Well, as you can see, we've fitted the latest 32-inch interior here with the nice platinum chromed Rex. Round the side we've fitted the latest bodywear. We've even got mains electricity. It's great, really great buy this washing machine, better than that cheap over.
Wait, we got fully working knobs here people, fully working knobs. Even,
I don't see any lights on yours.
We've got tubing.
Oh, very nice. How's yours pass the electrical safety test?
Oh, well, we'll look here. Electrical safety test passed on the 23rd of the 3rd, 06.
Oh. Thank you for debating me there. Never mind. Yours can't exactly say it's got the finest bodywork though, is it, eh?
I'll let you. Excuse me, mine has got a spoiler.
Oh right, well that's very good, but has yours got detachable panels?
Look at this, detachable.
It's great.
Sliding rollers.
I think mine's got sliding rollers, and mine's better at sliding than yours because it's better at sliding.
Well, I think it's up to you at home, folks. Hot point. An extra.